So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can set up your Apple ID. So guys, to set up your Apple ID, first of all, you need to have an account. And if you don't have an account, then to do that, you need to be in this website that says iCloud.com. It says right here that you can sign in with Apple ID. And if you don't have one, you can see the option that says Create Apple ID. Just tap on there. And now just write your first name and your last name. Choose the country you're from, your birthdays, when were you born, and an email for you to be choosing. Choose a password. It says right here that your password must be 8 or more characters. It should have upper and lowercase letters and at least one number. You can confirm your password too. You can also write your phone number. This is very important in case you have forgotten your password and you want to restore it. You can also choose to receive announcement, or you can turn them off. You can also choose to turn off the Apple emails and communications. And it says right here to type the characters in the image. This is to verify if you're a human or not. And just tap on continue. And after that process, you would probably be able to create your Apple ID. So guys, after you create your Apple ID, just go ahead and log in with that Apple ID through your settings. So your Apple ID is right here. If you've logged in, you can see this, but if you have not logged in, you'll see a sign in or create an Apple ID option. So after you have a new account, just go ahead and tap on personal information. Here you'll find your name and you can find your date of birth and communication preferences. So guys, if you have mistakenly written down a wrong birthday date, then you can choose to change it this way. So there you go. And now there's also communication preferences. And if you want to see how your data is managed, you can also type there and you can see descriptions right here. Tap on OK, now go back, tap on sign in and security, and here you'll find your email and phone numbers. If you tap on this plus sign right here, you can change your email or you can add your phone number. And if you tap on minus, this will remove your email. So guys, there's also an option to change your password. If you think your password is not strong enough or you've forgotten it, you can just go ahead and tap there. And to change your password, you need to enter your Apple ID password again to make sure it's you. Now just type your new password and type it again to verify your new password. There's also two-factor authentication. It's very important that you turn this on, otherwise your Apple ID is more prone to getting hacked. And you should also set up your security keys. This way, if you're signing in to a different device, then you would get a verification code to prove that it's you, because anyone can sign in with your ID if they have your information. So you need to be very careful. So guys, if you tap on this option that says sign in with Apple, your Apple ID can be used to sign into apps and websites. You can tap there and then you'll find apps where you have used your Apple ID to sign in, and you can also manage that or choose to log out. Just go ahead and tap on stop using Apple ID. There you go. That's how you log out from app. And if you don't want to receive the mail, then just go ahead and turn off. And that's how you see which app is using your Apple ID, and that's how you remove them. There's also account recovery. This is when you forget your password or device passcodes and you have a few options to recover your data. There's also legacy contact. Legacy contact is someone that you really trust to obtain your data. And guys, it should be someone you know really well and trust a lot, because they can have access or download all of your data. So this is very risky, so please be careful before you choose your legacy contact. And now you'll find many options in settings. Once you've logged in with your Apple ID, you can do anything that you want with your ID. And now if you want to add a different payment method, just tap on payment and shipping. As you can see, I have no payment method on file, but it says right here that to use the Mac App Store to add a payment method. So guys, for example, PayPal, if I download PayPal from App Store, then I can just choose to add PayPal as my new payment method right here. And guys, you can find shipping address over here. If you want to add a shipping address, then just go ahead and tap on shipping address. Make sure to type your accurate address, because if you're ordering something, this is where your order will be shipped at. So guys, you can also see your iCloud and its settings. You can choose to sync your iCloud photos with your device. You can find your photos, your password and keychains. So guys, iCloud only has the storage of 5 GB. So if you want more storage, then you would probably have to buy it with iCloud Plus. So if you want to upgrade to iCloud Plus, then you can see these options that say that you can get 50 GB if you pay $0.99 per month, and you can get 200 GB if you pay $3.5 per month, and you can get 2 TB if you pay $12 per month. There's also option of more and more. So guys, if you are not a photographer or a content creator, then you probably won't need this much of storage. So 200 or 50 would be enough for you, or 2 TB. As you can see, I have not upgraded my iCloud, so I cannot hide my email or share iCloud with my family. These options are only for iCloud Plus users. So if you're an iCloud Plus user, you can have access to all these benefits. Now, just go ahead and tap on media and purchases. Right here, you can manage your account and you can manage your subscriptions. It shows you right here what you're subscribed to. It opens your app store, and now it can show you. It says here that a receipt will be sent to you each time one of your subscriptions is renewed. Receipts are always available in Apple account settings, purchase history. Go back, and now if you want to share it with your family, you can also set up that. You would need iCloud Plus for more benefits. You can find your devices right here on what you've signed in with. You can also open them and see information about them. Make sure your Find My Mac or Find My option is turned on, because if your device is lost, then this will be very helpful to track. You can see both of my devices have their Find My turned on. If you want to remove the account from your phone, just go ahead and tap on Remove from Account, and your device will be logged out from your Apple ID. So guys, if you want to sign out, you can see the option here too. And if you want to know more about Apple ID and privacy, you can tap here, and there's a very long description about Apple ID and privacy. So guys, that's how you set up your Apple ID. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.